Hi, I'm Brian. Welcome to Syntax Technologies. If you're doing stock control and you try to do barcode scanning, there's one tip for you. First of all, you need to have stock module, and if you have multi-unit measurement, example, you have unit and also box. So when you do barcode scanning, sometimes you may scan the unit, sometimes you may scan the box. So what you need to do is go into stock, maintain stock item, and create multi-UOM, that means your unit and also box. And at another tab, you need to key in the barcode for individual UOM. So with this, when you print out different barcode according to the UOM, you are able to scan accordingly. If you think this video is helpful, please like, share, and also subscribe to my channel. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Thank you.